Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on comments on YouTube, and here's how it is done. First, head to your YouTube studio and make sure you are logged in. The first thing to check is the settings. On the bottom left, click on settings, then go to the channel tab. From there, click on advanced settings. If your channel is marked as made for kids, comments will be disabled on your videos due to YouTube's rules. If you accidentally set your channel to made for kids but it isn't, or it was in the past but now it's not, you can change this in the advanced settings. Set this channel as not made for kids. If you upload both kids and adult content, you can choose I want to review this setting for every video, so you can adjust it on per video basis. The second reason you might not be able to comment is if your video is set to private. You need to make sure the video is either public or unlisted. To do this, go to the content section of your studio, select the video, and check its visibility. If it is set to private, comments will be disabled. If you don't want the video to public but still want people to comment, set it to unlisted. This means only people with the link can view and comment on the video, but it won't be publicly searchable. If you want a broader audience, set it to public, but remember to click save if you make any changes. Next, to ensure your channel allows comments, go to settings in YouTube Studio, then select community and navigate to the default tab. Here, you can manage comment settings for your channel. You can allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, or disable comments altogether. Finally, if you're not seeing comments, it might be because you are using a supervised account, such as one set up by your parents. In this case, you'll need to ask them if they can enable comments for you. Also, if you're watching a video aimed at kids, comments will automatically be turned off for that content. That is everything you need to know about how to turn on comments on YouTube. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.